websites wish to prepare you about the media message are constructed just a box, use letters to make words, words to make sentence, sentence to make paragraphs, and paragraphs to tell a story. We can see that all media messages are constructed the capacities of the human mind aided by today's technology enabled to process called construction of media and information messages. We say that all media messages are constructed. We mean that all media messages have been assembled by someone, that someone could be a single person or it could be a large organization. The message and values contained in this particular piece of media come. Key concept for deconstructing media. Number 1. Source. All media messages are created. The creator or the source of media could be the writer, photographer, or blogger in the case of movie or film. Number 2. Audience. Media messages are intended to reach audience. Some are designed to reach millions of people like primetime shows, television. Text. We often use the word text to mean written words, but in media literacy, text has media very different meaning. The text of any piece of media. 4. Subtext. The subtext is an individual interpretation of a media message. It's sometimes called the hidden text. Persuasion techniques. Media messages use a number of techniques to try to persuade us to believe or do something. Point of view. No one